Hello everyone, today I've come up with a video showing how to grow money plant or pothos like a bush. As you can see in the video, this is my money plant which looks so beautiful and bushy. And if you want your money plant to look beautiful and bushy like this, watch the video till the end and follow my steps. Take a small cutting of money plant or pothos. As you can see in the video, you can take a similar cutting. Usually what we do is plant it in a container as we do to a creeper or a climber. Doing so will not give you a bushy money plant. To grow a bushy money plant, follow these steps. In a money plant, each leaf end has a node. A node is a point which has the ability to grow roots. It's clearly visible. There's a node at each leaf end. What you have to do is take a scissor and cut at the intermediate point between two nodes. As you can see in the video, make similar cutting at each leaf node. Now you get many cuttings like this. Take a glass jar or any container and add some water into it. Dip this cutting into this water. When you are dipping, make sure that the node is completely dipped in water. Keep these cuttings in water for about a week. After a week, you can see that roots have started developing from these nodes. The roots are clearly visible, you can see that. Now let's plant these cuttings in a pot. When you're planting, do not plant them on water because money plant grow very slowly on water, so the plant will not become bushy. Let's see what are the requirements for the potting mixture. Sand, normal garden soil, coco peat or coconut husk, any manure. I have taken the cow dung. Take any container like this and add the potting mixture into it. The pot is ready. Now let's plant these cuttings. Plant them equally spaced. Now your money plant is ready. Water them daily because money plants love moisture. After 5 days, you can see that the leaves have got more life, more freshness. So now I'm gonna hang it. Within a month, you can see your money plant growing like a bush. Hope you like this video. For more plant care videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.